All right, guys, it's Angelo Christian with another great edition of Real Estate Insider, and today we're going to be talking about medical collections. You know, a lot of people call me all the time when they're trying to buy a house or they're refinancing, they're investing, and they're asking me, you know, what should they do about their medical collections. I'm going to explain today the difference between medical collections and non-medical collections, because actually, when you're looking to buy a house, all right, medical collections are not counted against you, all right? They do hurt your credit score, and we have a solution for that on how to help you to boost up your credit score if you have medical collections, but they're actually not counted against you from the purpose of underwriting when making a decision to buy a home or to refinance or, you know, whatever you're trying to invest in a commercial property. So, and we're going to talk about it today. We're going to actually show in our illustration, we have a demonstration to show you with our credit simulator how we actually take an example of somebody that has a 492 credit score and they have a ton of medical collections, and we go ahead and we dispute and delete all of them, and their credit score pops from a 492 all the way up to a 620 credit score, and we do it for free, guys, with our credit simulator. You don't have to waste money paying a credit repair company thousands of dollars and they drag out the time. We can help you today to actually boost up your credit score to help you to qualify to be able to buy your home. Now, we are a mortgage lender, and so basically we're not a credit repair company, so we don't just do credit repair. Our mission, our goal is to help you with your lending and financial goals and needs. So if you're looking to get help with buying a home, refinancing, investing in a commercial property, investing in a business, we can give you the money to be able to do that. You can give me a call, Angelo Christian, at 281-817-HOME or 832-431-6331. You can click on the link below to get signed up, and we can help you with any of your financial goals, international for commercial loans and nationwide for residential lending. We'd love to help you whether you're trying to do a reverse mortgage, if you're a senior, or if you're trying to get pre-approved, you're a veteran trying to buy a home, or you're trying to refinance and you need to pay off, you need cash out. You're trying to buy an apartment complex, you're trying to buy a business, we can help you with that and also help you at the same time with boosting up the credit score. That's what we do for our clients. It's a free VIP concierge service that we offer for our customers to help them so they can get the best loan terms. So if you're tired of getting denied, you're tired of renting, and you're tired of your bank telling you can't help you, I'd love to be able to help you. If you have at least a 580 credit score now, I can be able to help you to get you pre-approved to buy your home. I love the opportunity to serve you. Give us a call, 832-431-6331. So talking about medical collections, basically there's a few different rulings on it when it comes to it. So with FHA loans, regular collections, if they're non-medical, if they're over $2,000, and whether you're non-borrowing spouse or your spouse or you're going on the loan, those get put into your debt ratio. So if you have $2,000 in collections, you would multiply that times 5%, which is $100 a month, and that gets added to your debt ratio. Okay? That's for non-medical collections, guys. But if you have medical collections, those are not counted against you into your debt ratio and the underwriter's decision for pre-approval. But now, if you have recent medical collections, they will hurt your credit score. They will actually lower your credit score. So it's kind of counterintuitive because the medical collection doesn't affect you from buying the house, all right, but it hurts your credit score. So you could have a low credit score because you have a lot of medical, right? And we have a solution for that. We can actually get those deleted and disputed off your credit, and you don't have to settle them, okay? And that's a really cool thing because normally a lot of people don't know what to do if they have medical collections. They just let them sit there, and then they think that they can't qualify to buy a house. They can't qualify to do a refinance. They can't qualify to buy an apartment complex because their credit score is too low, and it's not true. You can, but you need to be shown how. And we show in this demonstration, I'm going to show you actually how to get the medical collections deleted and disputed so you can pop up the credit score, all right? The same thing goes for USDA loans. Medical collections are not counted against you. VA loans, medical is definitely not counted against you if you're a veteran. Even conventional loans, medical is not counted against you. So the cool thing in the mortgage industry is that they're smart enough to realize that we're not going to count medical collections against somebody in terms of buying a home. So my thing is you don't have to settle it. And people always ask me, should you settle medical collections? I'm going to say no. I don't think you need to. You know, let your insurance company deal with that. All right. It's not needed to buy a house. You don't need to settle medical collections. All right. Now, regular collections are a different deal. You know, if you have charge-offs and collections and repos and stuff like that, those may need to be handled. But I certainly don't think that if you're trying to buy a house, that you need to pay off medical collections to get a mortgage. I think it's a waste of your money. You can use that money to be able to put down on your house, or to, you know, to furnish your home, or to make improvements to your home. You don't need to pay off medical collections. Now, and the other thing is that I'm not saying that you need to evade your responsibilities. If you owe them the money, you know, you need to work that out and get that handled. I'm just saying that if you're trying to buy a house and you have $3,000, you're better off putting that money towards your down payment on your house versus settling your medical collections. But settling your medical collections is not going to help you to get pre-approved to buy a house. You having the money in your account for a down payment or cash reserves is going to help you to buy a house. So you need to use your money wisely is what I'm trying to tell you. I'm not telling you to evade your responsibilities. If you owe them the money, you need to get that handled. I'm just telling you for purposes of buying a house. So anyway, we're going to show you in this example demonstration, a live demo of how to boost up a credit score from 492 all the way up to a 620 with our credit booster, and deleting these medical collections, and also adding a secure credit card, because it's a great thing, man. Hey, if you can get your credit score up 120 points, you're in the game. You can buy a house, you can buy a car, you can get student loans for your kids or whatever. So a really, really cool thing. And actually, this would affect all three credit bureaus: Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. So it's really cool because then, you know, someone's credit score, if they're at a 492, can get all the way up to a 620. Then they can get great terms to be able to buy a house. So, and that's really what we do here with my company. We help people with their financial goals and their needs. Whether you're trying to buy a house, you're trying to refinance, we do it all over the country. I've been doing this for over 15 years, guys. Lent over $1 billion in lending, helped over 13,000 families to buy a house or refinance with their financial goals. And I'm an investor, I'm an entrepreneur. That's what we do here. We educate people. We specialize in reverse mortgages. We have our real estate university where we coach and educate people how to become a top producing lender and realtor. So we'd love to help you in any way that we can. If you're looking to get help to buy a house and you don't know where to begin, give me a call at 832-431-6331, or you can click on the link below to get signed up, and my team can help you to actually get pre-approved so you can buy your house, so you can quit wasting money on rent and own the home that you want to own and live the life that you want to live. You only live one life. You cannot take the money with you. It's better. My dad always used to tell me it's better to live rich than die rich. You can't take the money with you, Angelo. And why do you want to make a landlord rich when you can make yourself rich and invest in real estate? So that's my whole theme, my whole belief about life is you need to take care of yourself, double down on your mind, educate yourself, and invest in your life, invest in your credit, invest in your mind, and become an investor with real estate. So if you're looking to get help, give us a call. I'm Angelo Christian. Thank you so much for following us. Check out our live demonstration. We're going to go into that right now. Leave comments down below in the chat box. Give us a thumbs up. Please share this with your friends and family. Educate them on credit, real estate, and finance. Don't be a victim and be ignored and not know. Don't go in life not knowing things. You have to get knowledge. You have to educate yourself, empower yourself, and learn about credit, learn about finance, learn about real estate so you can have a better quality of life. All right? Please follow us on our Facebook, our YouTube, our Instagram. Share this with all your friends and family. Work very hard in our network to educate and empower people. We want to give you a better quality of life. If you want to see anything, we're going to be doing a great one next week on student loans. A lot of people ask me about student loans. I'm going to teach you about student loans and how they affect you when you're trying to buy a house. So my name's Angelo Christian. Thank you so much for checking out Real Estate Insider. Call me if you need help to buy a house, or you're trying to buy a commercial building or a restaurant or a complex. Any way that I can help you, my number is 832-431-6331. That's Angelo Christian. Guys, thank you so much. Take care and peace out. Bye-bye. All right, so basically, one of the things that we talked about when you're buying a house, that medical collections are not counted against you. And so a lot of the strategies I like to use to help people with boosting up their credit score when they're trying to buy a home is to put these medical collections in dispute so we can pop up that credit score. As you can see, this example illustration of a TransUnion credit score of 492, it has a lot of medical collections, guys. You know, you see all these are all medical. Just scroll on down, they're all medical, and they're recent too. So that hurts the credit score. if they're recent medical collections, because that's what's dragging out the score. Because look at this, some of them are just from a few months ago, and that will actually hurt your credit score. But you can put these in dispute and get them deleted. That's what I'm doing here, is I'm putting all these in dispute right now. So then that way we can help the person's credit score go higher. So then that way they can qualify to get a better loan program. Because, you know, the main thing is you want to, when you're trying to buy a house, you're trying to get a loan or credit for school loans or for car loans or credit cards, you want to have a high credit score. You don't want to have to deal with, you know, paying high interest because, you know, your credit score is low. And medical shouldn't be counted against you as from a credit score standpoint, but unfortunately it isn't. But thank God that from buying a house, medical is not counted against you. So all I'm doing is I'm disputing all these medical collections because they do not affect you when you're buying a house. And you can see that this person's credit score is actually popping up, and it's going to help them to be able to qualify to buy a house with better loan terms. So see, look at that. We're already at a 50-point credit score boost. And this is for free. You don't have to pay anything to do this, and we help you with my mortgage company. Whenever we get you pre-approved to buy your home, we do this for you for free with our Fresh Start Credit Booster. We run a credit action plan on you to help you to get your credit score higher so you can qualify to buy your house. And that's exactly what we would do here if you're looking to buy a home. I mean, it's crazy that you think about someone's credit score could tank down to a 492 just from a bunch of medical collections. So this is how I would help somebody that was in this type of situation to boost up their credit. And like I said, with medical collections, they do not need to be settled either, guys, because when you're buying a home, these type of collections are not going to go against you, whether you're doing FHA, USDA, VA, or even conventional. Now, non-medical collections will, and that's a different story, but for regular medical collections, they will not. And then another thing that I would do that I think is very smart to do at the same time is go ahead and, because this person doesn't have any revolving credit in this example, we're going to go ahead and add a revolving trade line to it as well to help to pop up that credit score. So, because I think that's extremely important to do, especially because you don't have any revolving. See, look, see, right there, the credit score pops up to a 595, you know. So this is just immediately. We've increased this credit score by 103 points, guys, and that is awesome. And for free. You didn't have to pay a credit repair company thousands of dollars and all kinds of stuff like that. We did it for free to help to boost up this credit score, and just by disputing a bunch of medical collections and then also adding a secure credit card. But that's really the big thing. And look at it, in the second month, the credit score pops to 615. You know, now this person can get a great loan program to be able to buy their house. So that's a really neat thing, you know, and I think what everybody would want if they're trying to buy a house. So before you spend thousands of dollars on credit repair, before you think that you can't qualify to buy a home, give Angelo Christian a call. We want to be able to help you to get you approved, get you, you know, get your credit score boosted up so you can buy a house. Now, we are a mortgage bank, so we're not a credit repair company. So we're here to help you with your financing needs, whether you're trying to buy a house or refinance or do a commercial investment. That's really what we do here. We're not a credit repair company, so please don't call us just for credit repair. We're here to help you to boost up your credit score so you can buy a house or do residential or commercial financing, apartment complexes, businesses, restaurants, homes. That's our mission, our goal with the company, to help you with your financial and lending goals all over the country and international with our commercial opportunities. So anyway, this is a great example illustration on how we can dispute and delete medical collections off of someone's credit and get them a higher credit score so they can get great loan terms, whether you're trying to buy a car, buy a house, whatever. So thank you so much, guys, for checking out Angelo Christian.